Picture this, a moonless night, silent as a tomb. A flash of red streaks through the undergrowth, a high-pitched shriek pierces the stillness. A fox, cunning and swift, claims its prize. This is the wild world of foxes, where survival hinges on instinct and intelligence. Foxes, often cast as sly tricksters in folklore, are far more captivating in reality. Their ability to thrive across diverse ecosystems, from bustling cities to icy tundras, speaks to their incredible adaptability. These aren't just survivors, they're masters of their domain. Join us as we journey into the secret lives of these remarkable creatures. We'll uncover their hunting strategies, honed over millennia. We'll witness their social interactions, complex and often surprising. From the frozen Arctic tundra, where the Arctic fox reigns supreme, to the scorching Sahara Desert, where the fennec fox thrives, these animals have conquered a staggering range of environments. They've adapted to live alongside humans, navigating urban landscapes with surprising ease. Their resilience and resourcefulness make them a truly global species. But it's not just their physical adaptations that impress. Foxes possess a sharp intelligence that allows them to outwit prey and evade predators. Their cunning has made them the subject of legends, but their true stories, as you're about to discover, are even more incredible. Get ready for a thrilling exploration into the world of foxes, where every day is a fight for survival and every victory is a testament to their remarkable nature. Forests cloaked in emerald green and dappled sunlight are the quintessential fox habitat. Here, amidst towering trees and rustling leaves, the red fox reigns supreme. Its russet fur blends seamlessly with the fallen leaves, making it practically invisible to unsuspecting prey. These forests, teeming with life, provide a bountiful buffet for a hungry fox. Squirrels scampering up branches, mice darting through the undergrowth, and voles tunneling beneath the forest floor all become potential meals. The fox's keen hearing picks up the slightest rustle, its sharp eyes miss no movement. With a lightning-fast pounce and a fatal bite, the hunt is over. But the forest is not without its dangers. Owls, with silent wings and sharp talons, patrol the night sky, while larger predators like wolves and coyotes compete for resources. The fox must always be alert, relying on its speed, agility, and cunning to evade danger. Life in the forest is a delicate dance between predator and prey, and the fox plays its part with deadly grace. As cities sprawl outwards, encroaching on once wild spaces, foxes have proven to be remarkably adaptable. The concrete jungle, far from being a barrier, has become a new frontier for these resourceful creatures. Urban foxes, often smaller and sleeker than their forest-dwelling counterparts, have learned to navigate the maze of streets and alleys with ease. Their diet too has shifted, incorporating human refuse and the occasional unlucky rodent. Back gardens become hunting grounds. Overflowing trash cans offer unexpected feasts, and the lack of natural predators allows for a relatively comfortable existence. But life in the city comes with its own set of challenges. Traffic poses a constant threat, and encounters with humans, while not always hostile, can be unpredictable. Despite the risks, urban foxes thrive, their intelligence and adaptability allowing them to exploit the resources of this human-dominated landscape. They remind us that nature always finds a way, even in the most unexpected places. Their presence in our cities serves as a testament to their resilience and a reminder that the wild is never truly far away. In the unforgiving heat of the desert, the fennec fox reigns supreme. Its oversized ears dissipate heat and its sand-colored fur provides perfect camouflage. The fennec fox thrives where water is scarce and the sun relentless. Sensitive hearing helps it locate insects and small creatures. Its large ears regulate body temperature, preventing overheating. Adapted kidneys conserve water, allowing survival on minimal moisture. At night it emerges to hunt under the cool moonlight. The fennec fox dances across the dunes, a testament to resilience. Life finds a way even in the harshest environments. Foxes, unlike solitary predators like bears, are deeply family-oriented animals. They live in social groups called skulks or leashes, consisting of a mated pair and their offspring. The bonds within a fox family are strong, with both parents playing active roles in raising their young. Springtime brings a flurry of activity as new life emerges from underground dens. Blind and helpless at birth, fox cubs rely entirely on their parents for warmth and nourishment. The vixen, fiercely protective of her young, nurses them for several weeks, while the male, known as a dog fox, hunts tirelessly to provide food for the growing family. As the cubs grow stronger, they venture outside the den, their playful antics a joy to behold. Tumbling over each other, practicing their hunting skills on unsuspecting insects, these adorable bundles of fur bring a touch of tenderness to the wild. The parents, ever watchful, teach their offspring the ways of the wild, imparting vital survival skills that will serve them well in their lives to come. When it comes to hunting, foxes are masters of deception, employing a combination of stealth, cunning, and lightning-fast reflexes. Their primary prey rabbits, rodents, birds, and insects rarely stand a chance against their hunting prowess. One of their most impressive hunting techniques is the mouse pounce. Picture this. A fox, ears perked, stands motionless in a field, listening intently. It has detected the telltale rustling of a vole tunneling beneath the snow. Suddenly the fox leaps high into the air, its body a blur of motion, and lands with deadly precision, pinning the unsuspecting vole beneath its paws. This remarkable display of agility and accuracy is a testament to the fox's hunting instincts honed over millennia of evolution. But their cunning doesn't end there. Foxes are also known to use clever tactics to outsmart their prey. They'll pretend to be disinterested, even napping, to lure unsuspecting animals closer. They've been observed using their bushy tails to flush out prey, hiding in dense vegetation. Foxes possess a fascinating vocal repertoire, ranging from high-pitched screams to eerie howls. During mating season, males bark sharply, while females respond with softer sounds. These calls strengthen bonds and communicate within family groups. Parents use chirps and growls to teach cubs and warn of danger. A fox's scream serves as an alarm call, alerting others to predators. These vocalizations reveal the complex social lives of foxes. The life of a fox is a constant game of cat and mouse, where they're both the hunter and the hunted. Larger predators, like wolves, coyotes, and even birds of prey, pose a constant threat, demanding vigilance and quick thinking, but foxes are not easily caught. They've developed a range of evasive maneuvers that would make a seasoned escape artist proud. Their agility is their greatest asset. Capable of sudden turns, bursts of speed, and impressive leaps, they can outmaneuver predators in tight spaces and dense undergrowth. When pursued, a fox might zigzag erratically, making it difficult for a larger predator to predict its movements. They'll use their surroundings to their advantage, darting through narrow openings under fallen logs and into dense thickets, leaving their pursuers disoriented and frustrated. And if cornered, a fox won't hesitate to fight back, using its sharp teeth and claws to defend itself with surprising ferocity. Survival in the wild is a game of inches, a constant battle against the elements and hungry predators. For foxes, this means relying on their highly developed senses to detect danger, locate food, and navigate their surroundings. Their hearing, in particular, is exceptional. Those large pointed ears aren't just for show, they act like finely tuned antennas, picking up the faintest rustle of leaves, the quiet scampering of a mouse, even the low-frequency sounds of earthworms moving underground. This incredible auditory acuity allows them to pinpoint prey with pinpoint accuracy, even in complete darkness. But their senses don't stop there. Foxes also possess a keen sense of smell, far superior to our own. They use their sensitive noses to sniff out food, detect the presence of rivals, and even recognize familiar scents within their territory. This olfactory prowess is particularly useful for scavenging, allowing them to locate carrion or other food sources from a distance. Cunning and intelligence are hallmarks of the fox's survival strategy. They're not just quick and agile, they're masters of deception, employing a range of clever tactics to outwit both prey and predator. One of their most intriguing behaviors is known as playing dead. When faced with a threat that seems insurmountable, a fox might feign death, collapsing on the ground, limp and lifeless. This dramatic display, often accompanied by a foul odor released from their anal glands, can deter predators who are hesitant to scavenge a potentially diseased meal. While this tactic might seem risky, it often pays off, allowing the fox to make a hasty escape when its attacker lets down its guard. Their cunning extends to their hunting strategies as well. Foxes are known to bury surplus food, caching it for later consumption. They'll carefully dig shallow holes, conceal their prize, and then camouflage the spot with leaves, twigs, or snow. This remarkable display of foresight ensures a ready food supply during lean times or harsh weather conditions. The world of foxes is a tapestry of interactions, a complex web of predator and prey. They share habitats with rivals and allies, each encounter shaping their lives. In the Arctic, foxes face a struggle for survival against snow and ice. The snowy owl, a formidable predator, poses a constant threat. These aerial hunters blend seamlessly with the snowdrifts. But the fox, with its keen hearing, is no easy target. A battle of wits and endurance plays out between predator and prey. In temperate regions, foxes face competition from other canines. Coyotes, with their pack mentality, often displace foxes from prime hunting grounds. The relentless sprawl of human civilization has forced many creatures into retreat, their habitats fragmented, their populations dwindling. But the fox, with its remarkable adaptability and opportunistic nature, has found ways to not only coexist but thrive in our midst. Urban foxes, those masters of the concrete jungle, have become a familiar sight in cities and towns across the globe. They navigate our streets, backyards, and even rooftops with surprising ease, their presence a reminder that the wild can flourish even in the most unexpected places. While some welcome these urban neighbors, others view them with suspicion or fear. Tales of foxes raiding chicken coops, rummaging through trash, and even snatching pets have fueled a perception of them as pests or nuisances. But the reality is far more nuanced. Foxes, like all creatures, are simply trying to survive, and in urban environments they've learned to exploit the resources we unwittingly provide. Understanding their behavior, their natural curiosity, their opportunistic foraging, their essential role in controlling rodent populations is key to fostering peaceful coexistence. In the grand tapestry of nature, every creature plays a role, a vital thread in the intricate web of life. Foxes, often cast as cunning tricksters or urban nuisances, are in truth essential guardians of the balance, their presence rippling through ecosystems in ways both subtle and profound. As apex predators in many environments, they help to regulate populations of prey species, preventing overgrazing and maintaining the health of plant communities. Their taste for rodents, in particular, makes them invaluable allies to farmers and gardeners, keeping populations of crop-damaging pests in check. But their ecological importance extends beyond their predatory prowess. Foxes are also efficient scavengers, their keen senses leading them to carrion, fallen fruit, and other organic matter. By consuming and dispersing seeds, they contribute to the regeneration of forests and other habitats. Their burrows, often dug into hillsides or beneath the roots of trees, provide shelter for other animals, creating microhabitats that support a diversity of life. Recognizing and appreciating the ecological roles of foxes is essential to fostering a balanced and healthy planet. We've journeyed across diverse landscapes, from snow-swept tundras to sun-drenched deserts, witnessing the incredible adaptability of foxes. We've delved into their secret lives, uncovering the cunning strategies they employ to hunt, evade predators, and raise their young. We've seen them as both hunters and hunted, fierce protectors of their families and resourceful survivors in a world of challenges. But beyond their physical prowess and instinctual drives, there's a spirit to the fox that captures our imagination. It's their intelligence, their cunning, their ability to thrive in the face of adversity that resonates with us. They embody a certain wildness, a fierce independence that reminds us of the untamed beauty of the natural world. In a world increasingly dominated by humans, foxes remind us that nature always finds a way. They teach us that adaptability, resilience, and a touch of cunning are essential for navigating life's challenges. And they offer a glimpse into a world beyond our own, a world of intricate connections, breathtaking beauty, and enduring wonder. As we've seen, the lives of foxes are intricately intertwined with our own. They share our cities and towns, our backyards and parks, often crossing paths with us in unexpected ways. But this proximity can lead to conflict. Fear, misunderstanding, and the perception of foxes as pests or threats can have devastating consequences for these remarkable creatures. It's time to rewrite the narrative, to move beyond myths and misconceptions and embrace a more harmonious relationship with our fox neighbors. Education is key. By understanding their behavior, their ecological roles, and the simple steps we can take to prevent conflicts, we can foster peaceful coexistence, securing our trash, protecting our pets, and appreciating foxes from a distance. These small acts can make a world of difference. Let's choose compassion over fear, respect over indifference, and work together to ensure that foxes continue to grace our planet with their presence for generations to come. As the sun sets on our exploration of the fox's world, one truth remains abundantly clear. These creatures are far more than cunning tricksters or urban nuisances. They are guardians of the wild, vital threads in the intricate tapestry of life. Their presence enriches our ecosystems and inspires our imaginations. Let us protect their habitats and appreciate their ecological roles. The future of foxes, and indeed the health of our planet, depends on